Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be going through a few things that have happened. So I've had a big sale over the last month. These soaps have been selling like crazy. These are my signature soaps. They're all goat's milk and you can smell the fragrance through the back. So with these soaps, there is a lavender, tiger lily blossom, love spell, sweet lemongrass, and Hawaiian breeze. I made a promise to everyone on my Etsy store that $1 from each one of these bars of soap would go to making soaps for the homeless shelter. Since they were 50% off, it's 50 cents per soap. So I've got a whole bunch of these soaps ready. As you can see, there's 2 soaps there. So they are small. To give you an idea, that's about 2.5 centimeters wide and about 5.5 centimeters tall. And they're not that thick, probably about 1 centimeter. And I have a whole bunch of them. And today I'm going to wrap them. So I've made my labels. This is just a little tiny hand soap label. And these are the bags. Now, they're about 10 centimeters long by 7 centimeters wide, and they are foil on the inside, and they've got like a little ziplock at the top. So here's one that I've done, and the soap fits in it perfectly. So I'm just going to put a label on these and package them all up and send them off to the homeless shelter today. So I got these bags from Amazon. I actually ordered them about 4 or 5 months ago, but they only just arrived. So that's how long it took to get here. So I was actually hoping they were a little bit bigger so I could put 2 soaps in each one, but as it turns out, they're smaller than what I expected. While the actual bag is 10 centimeters long, from the ziplock down to the bottom, it's about 6 centimeters. And it's about 5 centimeters across that I can actually fit a soap in. So they are tiny, but I did order 600 of them. I'm going to show you a few of them that I pack, and then I'll show you the final results. Let's go. So here are all my labels. I've cut them. I tried to use a guillotine, but the guillotine is so big that it scares the crap out of me. I feel like I'm going to cut my fingers off every time I'm going to use it. So I've cut these by hand with a pair of scissors. Basically, it's A4 sticky paper. So I print them out on big sheets like this. And that's A4, and it's just mailing sheet. So I just take the label off, put it in the center of the package, and there we go. And I'll just put the soap inside it in a minute. I'll get to doing the rest of these and then I'll show you that. So I've put all the labels on the bags. Now I've just got to put the soaps in the bags. And for that, I'm going to have to put on my gloves. Okay, so that's just a few of them. I've got about 150 to do. So I'm not going to bore you with the rest of it, but it's pretty much the same as that. Put them in these tiny little bags, put the label on it, you're done. And then I can go and deliver them to the homeless shelter. And hopefully they like them. So I'm going to come back when I've done all of them and I'll show you everything that's been completed. Okay, so after about 2 hours of cutting labels, sticking them on here, putting my gloves on and off, I finally got them all done. There's about 200 of them in total in here. They are only small soaps, but you know, hopefully it will make a difference to someone. So they close at 4 o'clock, so I'm too late to deliver these today, but tomorrow morning I'm going to go up and give these to the homeless shelter. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's out of my hands after that. Whatever they do with them is up to them, but I'm sure that the people that come in for, you know, 1 or 2 nights stays or 3 night stays, they'll get some use out of them. So thanks to everyone who's actually purchased soaps over the last month with the 50% off sale. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. See ya.